Namaskar friends, welcome to Astrology Jyotish channel. Do you know how to identify if a particular moon sign or Rashi is going through Saturn's Sade Sati period or a Daya period? If not, then today's video would certainly help you regarding the same. So most of the people would have heard about Planet Saturn Sade Sati period. While this Sade Sati period is mostly considered to be a difficult phase in one's life, it is also likely to be a rewarding one at the end of this period. So the term Sade Sati means a period of 7.5 years of duration. So let's understand why it is called Sade Sati using a sample horoscope over here. As per the current Gochar, Saturn is currently transiting in its own sign Aquarius or Kumbh Rashi. So as you might already be aware, Saturn spends 2.5 years in each sign. Okay, so when so basically here we have also mentioned that there are three phases of Sade Sati, first, second and third phase, and combining these three phases each of 2.5 years, total Sade Sati period is coming to approximately 7.5 years. So if we are currently looking at the Aquarius or the Kumbh Rashi over here, the first phase of Kumbh Rashi's Sade Sati would have been started when Saturn was positioned in the 12th house of it. Okay, so 12th house is a Capricorn sign, and that way we can say that, let's say Saturn was there in the 9th Rashi, which is Sagittarius, and when Saturn transited to the 10th house, which is Capricorn, it becomes 12th from Aquarius. Hence, this is the time period when Aquarius sign natives started going through the rising phase or the first phase of Saturn. And then comes the second phase when the Saturn would transit to the Aquarius sign itself, and that will happen after Saturn spends 2.5 years in the Capricorn. After spending 2.5 years in the Capricorn sign, in the Aquarius sign, when Saturn would again transit to the next house, that will result into the third phase or the final phase or the setting phase of the second Sade Sati. So this entire transit over three Rashis or three houses is actually a Sade Sati for Aquarius. The 12th house, the first house or the Aquarius house itself, and the next house, which is Pisces or Meen Rashi.